Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out the L'Oreal Multimasking Play Kit. So this little kit comes with 3 individual sized masks. The first one is the Exfoliate and Refining Face Mask with red algae. The next one is the Purify and Mattifying Face Mask with eucalyptus, and the last one is the Detox and Brighten Face Mask with charcoal. So the idea behind multi-masking is that pretty much instead of applying one face mask over the entire face, you just apply multiple face masks depending on what skincare concerns you have on that area of your skin. So in this case, I'm applying the brightening and exfoliating one, or the refining and exfoliating one here. Just because I tend to have buildup on my cheeks. You'll see later that I put the charcoal one on my chin because that's where I'm getting breakouts, and then I tried the eucalyptus one on my nose and my forehead. Because I tend to get oily on my forehead, on my nose, out of all the areas. Here you can see that I'm struggling with the silicone spatula. With the green one, I do recommend using your fingers. It just applies more smoothly and evenly. So once I washed the masks off, which you'll see shortly, I just noticed that a lot of my impurities and everything on my chin were still there. It took away, like the charcoal mask took away the surface little bumps, but it did leave a lot of the deeper, more clogged pores behind. I just wanted to test how the charcoal mask would work on my nose, so a few days later I actually applied it to my nose just to see how it would work with drawing out blackheads, and it was the same situation. It drew out very surface, mild blackheads, but a lot of the deeper ones still remained. I would definitely recommend that if you have problem areas and clogged pores, maybe to revert to a stronger, more pore refining mask rather than this charcoal mask. The green one, the eucalyptus one as well, left redness on my forehead, and the second time I used the mask I put the green on my cheeks and my cheeks were left red. So if you have sensitive skin or allergen prone skin, I would probably give the green one a miss, only because it did irritate my skin and I do have sensitive skin. Okay guys, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this mini review and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!